I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being here, and I've noticed I have a lot of subscribers lately, so you are welcome to this channel. So today guys, as I was cooking my breakfast, my fundi called me and told me my coffee table is ready. I'm so excited, you guys, to unwrap this with you guys. So I hope you stay tuned. And also, I'm going to do a refresh in my sitting room. I'm going to do it in a time lapse. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do leave a comment and also do leave a like.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So yesterday I removed all the shears because I want to put up the new shears. But before that, I'm going to clean the window and the door because they are looking so dusty. But before that, let's remove everything in the sitting room so that you can be remained with the chairs and push them so that it can be easier for me to clean the windows without spilling the water inside the house.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
We are done cleaning the windows and the doors. So right now I'm going to clean the floors. For the floor, I'm using Dettol and sunlight detergent. For the surfaces, I'm going to use only water and Dettol to disinfect everywhere because I have little babies in the house. So I have a little bit of stains in my floor. I'm going to use Beam to see if they will come out, but if they don't, at least we tried. So let's clean the floors.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
We are done with the cleaning and now it's time to put up the new shears. I'm so excited. I want to see how they will look like, so I can't wait for that.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Since my carpet was coming in the evening, so I decided to clean my balcony and anything else that was needed to be cleaned as we wait for the carpet and continue with the sitting room cleaning.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
After I finished cleaning everything, I went to the shower And after I come to the shower, you guys, I realized I have a swollen knee. You guys, I had to spray it with the deep freeze to ease the pain because it was so painful. Let me tell you mine, as I was mopping the house, akisi nilianguka. It's so embarrassing. So be careful when you're mopping your house. So later that evening, the guy came and brought me my carpet. Nilikuwa tunamkelelesha hapo, mbona umenichelewesha? Aki, I'm so bad. But ni kawaida. So since the house is clean, I want to arrange everything. Right now it's at night, but I need to arrange everything so that I can do the reveal tomorrow. So let's do this.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
And we are done, guys. So welcome.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero?
If you have reached up to this end, thank you so much for being here. If you love the video, please don't forget to like this video. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video. And also guys, if you happen to bump into the advertisements that are popping out, please don't skip those ads. They will really help my channel. I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.